Welcome to the introduction of the August 2020 update of Denodo 7. And in this video, we will review the latest enhancements to Denodo. In this presentation, we will be covering the following enhancements. Enhancement to the VDP server. Next, we will look at some enhancements to the data catalog, diagnostic and monitoring tool, and scheduler. Finally, we will take a look at the enhancements related to the solution manager. We will start by looking at the enhancement to the virtual data port server. The VDP server includes an enhancement to facilitate the upgrade of the existing metadata of Denodo 7 to Denodo 8. This option can be enabled by setting the property com.denodo.export migration compatibility to true using the set command in the vquel shell. Note that this option is enabled as soon as the property is set through the vquel shell and does not require restarting the server. This update also provides Denodo users with an option to encrypt sensitive data included in the vquel exports with a password. To view this option, let's open the Virtual Data Port Administration tool. Now, if we right-click on any database or view and further click on Export, we can see that there is a checkbox for using custom password for sensitive data encryption. Once we check the box, we can enter a password of our choice. If the vquel has been exported in this manner, the import into Denodo 8 will require this password to be specified during the import of this vquel file. We now move on to review the enhancements to the data catalog. A new option has been added to make the export of Denodo 7 compatible for upgrade to Denodo 8. To enable this option, we must edit the configuration parameters.properties file available in the Denodo Home, Resources, Apache Tomcat Web Apps, Denodo Data Catalog Webinf classes folder and add the line com.denodo.export migration compatibility equals true. The Data Catalog web tool must be restarted after this change. Let us now review the enhancements to the diagnostic and monitoring tool. A new option has been included to generate the export file to upgrade to Denodo 8. To view this option, let us connect to the diagnostic and monitoring tool. On the top left part of the screen, you can click on the export icon and see the new option with the checkbox for generating export for upgrade to Denodo 8. We now move on to schedulers enhancements. A new option has been added to make the export of Denodo 7 scheduler and scheduler index compatible for upgrade to Denodo 8. The export can be made upgrade ready by editing the scheduler and the scheduler index configuration parameters.properties file available under Denodo Home, Conf, Scheduler and Denodo Home, Conf, ARN index folders respectively. The property com.denodo.export migration compatibility equal to true has to be added to these files, and the scheduler and the scheduler index servers have to be restarted for this change to be effective. We now move on to our last segment, which is reviewing the enhancements to the Solution Manager. In order to upgrade data from Denodo 7 to Denodo 8, it is now possible to get a full export of the meta information of the Solution Manager in Denodo 7. Denodo users have an option to specify a custom password for sensitive data encryption while exporting metadata. If the export file was generated with this option, the custom password has to be specified in Denodo 8 during the import process. Let's navigate to the Solution Manager Administration tool and right-click on the Solution Manager node on the left side of the screen. On choosing Export, you will see two checkboxes. The first one is used to generate the export file to upgrade to the Denodo 8. The second one, which gets activated once the first one is chosen, allows the Denodo users to specify a custom password for sensitive data encryption. In this video, we have covered the features and enhancements in the latest update of Denodo 7, including those for the VDP server, data catalog, diagnostic and monitoring tool, scheduler, and solution manager. Thank you for watching.